looking for the best microwave oven and want to know the pros and cons of each one of them. Integration. People find the display and controls to be easy enough to use. Power-saving eco mode and child safety lock.
Description. Thanks for watching the video.
And balances counter space with a roomy capacity. Availers agree that it cooks food evenly and quickly. The unit also microwave oven. This affordable microwave offers 7 hunter and beverages and has an LED display that features a clock and a timer. That's an ideal option for small spaces. This microwave is 700 watts of power, which proved plenty for reheating leftovers, making cubic feet of interior space, and 1,250 watts of power or defrost. You'll appreciate the built-in inverter, which delivers consistency with one appliance. This 1,000-watt microwave accommodates a small chicken or pizza. People love this unit, love the modern black color scheme and the brushed stainless steel handle. Designed to wipe clean easily and resist grease, oil, and scratches.